That's the thing.
You didn't bring in that New Year's drink? New Year ain't got it yet. Good, you asking me?
No, maybe I am recording now. I see the numbers rolling up.
If it's over, you record.
Okay, Kenneth, you want to try it again?
Yes,
Tell me about it.
good evening, everybody. We just out here having fun. We in the deep South, Milledgeville, Georgia. 2011, finna go into 2012. We just really just out here relaxing. We want you to take a look at the beautiful garden we sitting out here before. We just, we in the country. Do what we do. We sit around. We having fun. We with our friends. We just breaking it up. So we're gonna take time and walk around a little bit and look. Let you see what we doing right now. We just relaxing down here. This what you call the dirty South right here. We down in it. But we doing things we like to do. We have fun. It's the middle of the day. Somebody doing something, but we out here right now. We just getting all this stuff ready for us to have fun. On and on. Yeah.
That's it.
That's it, Everything gonna be good. We ain't in no hurry or nothing. Just taking it easy. Over here we cooking some brummy stew. Yeah. We got everything bubbling. We're gonna make everything right after a while.
There you go. Dirty South.
Yeah, we reaching down inside. We still know everything's good.
Little
just
water.
Everything down, just bringing the cool water. Make everything all right.
That's all right.
Cool water everywhere.
That's it.
Yeah, so everybody needs this is how to do it in the South. This is how we do it in the South.
All right.
There ain't no none of this, there ain't no none of that. We just have fun.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
man.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Get your ass out of here.
Oh, the dog got to get out the garden.
That's what it is.
All right. All right.